Sorry for the noise. So I'll keep making this because Greg really loved it. Put it aside. So now I'm gonna chop my mushrooms. So it's done. So next is I'm gonna prepare my pork, and then I'm gonna heat some oil. Put some oil on it. So now I'm gonna use the flour and grab this and then just Do it like this. Shake it a little bit. I just need it to be brown a little bit. So there it is now, nice and brown. Let's put it aside here. Smell good. Nearly there.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, Life Snapshot. Evelyn, Greg and Muttley here from Australia. Evelyn, ooh, you've been making some yum yum. Awesome. So you've done the showed them how you do your little tricks and trade. Awesome. And now I get to try it. Oh man, I'm so blessed. This is such a beautiful meal. So what is it, babe? It's the pork and naturally
garlic and mushroom sauce.
oh my god, pork, garlic and mushroom sauce.
Yeah.
And just so people know, I really weren't much into pork, but ever since Evelyn has been making this, it's become one of my favourites, absolute favourites. I've actually gone off actual normal beef, and this has become my absolute favourite. So it is just absolutely delicious. I love it.
And
Try it, guys. It's delicious and healthy. So it's probably another thing too. People want to.
there it is, Bobby.
There you go. We have some cordial with it. Just your plain cordial. We don't like the soft drink or anything like that. We just have a plain cordial drink. Cordial with water, cold water, boiled water. We like to boil our water and then cool it off. So the old soft drink's yuck, but check that out. It is delicious.
Now
All right, off you go.
Time.
Okay.
You have to taste it first, Bobby.
Yeah, I'll taste it. I'm coming. Oh, it's hot.
Careful.
Yeah, I know, but I love it hot. It's so nice. Unbelievable. I wish you could smell this. It's incredible. Beautiful fresh mushroom. And the pork, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Delicious. So I hope that was something that you guys might check out and enjoy making. It's a wonderful meal. It's extremely tasty. Oh, so good. We'll call it. Okay. Thanks everybody for watching. Please, if it's your first time, consider subscribing. We've got so much more that we've got to show the world how our lives are here in Australia, and we enjoy it. So hit that like button, notification, and we look forward to doing another video soon. Say goodbye, Evelyn.
Bye.
Thanks guys, bye.